Good morning, guys. From beautiful Athens. It's a blustering day here. Look what's going on outside. Very windy, about 8 Beaufort. And this reminds me, where you're looking now, that crazy fly in Santorini. The drone took off, almost crashed on the roof, went backwards, and I kind of like start picking up altitude to go away from the turbulence. I thought I lost the drone about that particular moment, but it went up. So I went a little bit more higher, and let's. I was thinking how to land the thing now. Look, the ocean, the sea, maybe, probably. Um, I have no idea what to do about that moment right here. So I'm like, let's see if we can go forward. So basically, right now I have full throttle forwards, and slowly it's penetrating. Look what's going on. It's only about like 50 meters away from our hotel, our friend's hotel in Santorini. It's a beautiful. This is the black beach you're looking at in Santorini, and if you want to get there on a tour, look on our website. We get you on the most beautiful tour you have ever done. So it's moving more forward now. Very windy. Velocity of the wind is about 8 Beauforts on a Beaufort scale. So about that moment, I'm thinking like there's no way I'm gonna turn downwind. I'm gonna start moving, let it drift backwards, and then we go to the edge of the roof and just grab it. Okay, so I just let it drift backwards and start nice and easy, lower in altitude. Okay, losing altitude, still taking some recordings from here and there. It was a beautiful flight. Look the colors. This is winter time, and I'm start losing altitude slowly, very slow, and helpfully we can grab it. There you go. Going backwards. Never turn with the wind. Uh, Very danger. Okay, just go to the corner to get clear to the corner of the building so I can get the most clear air and the less turbulence. You can see the trees on the right, how windy it is, and the waves. So about now it's reaching the roof, and my friend, I have the controls, and my friend is gonna grab it, and hopefully it's gonna work out good. There you go. Now it's the turbulence are much heavier right now. That's the edge of the roof. Uh, the balcony and we grab it and we save it. Thanks for watching.